So nobody was on the cruise, but Cruze went. I guess they have to move no matter what. So, Star of Honolulu is going somewhere. I suppose it's turning around and we'll go there. So this is how Aloha Tower look from this side. There is downtown over there and the museum here. Never went there. And some power plant here. Yay, we're going. The cruise is leaving for a ride with no people in, I think. It's going straight to the ocean and will go, I think, by Diamond Head and comes back. It's the regular tour. Bye, Star of Honolulu. So, this was about the cruise called Star of Honolulu. It's always here at Aloha Tower, except for dinner cruises.